Hello everyone, this is Sudipto from Technical Potpourri, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a Salesforce flow for your list views. So without any further delay, let's go and create this flow. So the use case for today is that I have a couple of open cases here. So if I select a couple of these cases, I want to close all these selected cases by clicking on a button here. So let's build the flow and add that flow in a list view button, so that clicking on that button, all these cases will be auto closed. Okay, so let's build the flow. To build the flow, what I need to do, I need to come to the setup section and click on this create flow. And I'll choose auto launch flow here. First thing I need to do, I need to get all the selected cases. The cases that I'll select from the list view, I need to fetch all those cases. For that, the element is get records. Let's give a name as get selected cases. It will be from case object for sure. ID will be in, it will be number of IDs. I need to create a variable IDs, text, allow, and available for input. The important thing to remember is that you need to give exactly this name for the API, because this is a standard API name and it will hold all the IDs of your selected case records. So let's do that and click on done. Also create one more condition, which is status not equals to close, does not equals to close, because our use case is to close the cases, and if the case is already being closed, there is no point of fetching that case record and running a flow for that. Very obvious. So let's put all this to condition and select all records here and click on done. Next, I need to loop through these records. Loop through the cases. Collection variable is this. For each element of the loop, or for each case, I'm going to do an assignment, which is basically change the status to closed, and here is a current element dot status equals to closed, and then one more assignment, which is basically stored the updated case records. So updated case records. For that, create a variable and let's give it a name as closed cases. Data type will be record, multiple record, and type will be case. And here I will add the current item. Done. My loop is done. At the end of the loop, I'm going to update the list which contains all the collected cases, right? All the closed cases. So for that, I need to select this element called update records and give a name at update cases, and here choose this one, closed cases, because this is a list element which is all the updated cases where the status is being updated to close. Done, and that's our flow. So let's save the flow and give it a name, case close, save and activate. So now I'll go back to the object manager and go to the case record. In the case record, the first thing that I need to do, I need to create a list button. So give a name, case close, and then it will be a list button. And let's say this is the flow. Now to call the flow from a list button, what you can do, you can go to the flow list of flows. This is a flow that I have created right now. Click here and click on this view details and copy this URL, the full URL, and put that URL here. Now at the end of the URL, you need to put something which will define your return behavior. The return behavior is like, once the flow is done, what you want to do, you want to come back to a list view you want to come back to the place from where you started. That defines the finish behavior. To do that, this is the parameter, this is the URL that we need to add. So let's put that. And in my use case, what I want, since I'll start from this list view, I want to come back to this list view again once the flow is done. So to do that, this is a Salesforce documentation page which will tell you how you can handle or customize a flow URL to control your finish behavior. I'll put the link in the description of this video. But if you want to come to the list view, basically this is what you need to put. Let's put that and then customize. So you need to put this one. So first three numbers is basically the first three numbers of the record. Since we are going to come back to the case always starts with 500. As you can see, any case record, it will start with 500. So I'll put 500 here. And then this is the list view ID. So in this list view, you can find the ID from the URL, copy that and paste it here. And that's all you need to do. Your button is ready. Now you need to add that button to your list view layout. You come here, click on this drop down and click on edit, and this button which is available, select that button and save. Now let's refresh this page. As you can see, there is a new button came up which is case closed. Let's select these two cases now and click on this case close. The flow is running now. And now when you come back, you see those closed cases are not here. If you go to your all closed cases, you find these are the two closed cases which has been closed just few minutes back. So this is the way how you can add a flow to your list view, and by using that flow, you can take action on all those selected items from the list view. So I hope this video is helpful. Please hit the like icon and share, and also please subscribe to my channel to get update about all my upcoming videos. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.